Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as $1, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah.
Greetings, Stefan. How you doing, man? Sup, man? Sup, Ibrahim? Sup, Sharof? Jackson? Are you saying to be 50k soon? You wish, man, you wish. You're making mad life depression bearable. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What you got for us now? I hope it's a good news. Hello from South Africa, man. Hello, man. How you doing? Let's go. This candle over here, man, is so nice. We are definitely hitting resistance right now, but you know, whatever. We don't care. We're going to 20k. Not 20k, 20 MA. Hates, how you doing, man? Stefan, all good, waiting for some good vibes from you. Ikram, hello from Pakistan. Hello Pakistan, how you doing? You're the best. Let's go again, go to the moon. Why not? So guys. We are not actually breaking out, you know, but you know, you never let a good stream go to waste, right? Down. We were actually calling this target over here today, in today's stream, if I remember correctly. But the big thing is that we broke the 37,253. So you can see here, we broke the very important resistance here. And now we're going up. Also, hello from Malta. Hello, Malta, how you doing? Yes, brother, let's go. Let's do this to the actual moon. Us or our beards. Hello, beard brother. Why is the song saying go down? It's not saying go down, man. Still got to break for, you know, we still got a lot of resistance breaking upside, no, but you know, we celebrate anything, man. On this channel, we celebrate any kind of move to the upside. Any kind of move to the upside, man. Any kind of move to the upside. But it's nice. It's nice. Let's see what Ethereum is doing. Is crypto one of the craziest collected things you experience in your life? Yeah. Yeah. Energy, love, moon. This is a breakout, guys. This is a breakout. Hello, Latapta. You are the best. You are the best from the best. Greets from Germany. Karluch. BNB coin. Can we check? Yeah, BNB coin went up 13% today, man. It also broke. See here. Somebody asked me in the chat, why is BNB pumping? Now you know why. Will also react. Yes, they will react, man. They will react. XRP, everything is breaking, guys. It just takes a little while to pick up. XRP is waiting. XRP is waiting, guys. XRP is waiting. Hey, could you please speak about Elrond? I have invested a lot in this, so So you believe it can be 1000 coin by end of the year? Elron? What? I don't have it even on the trading view. Elron. It's an OKEX, man. Why would you invest a lot on something that's on OKEX? Are you hoping to get it? I hope it doesn't bounce down. I think it will bounce down though. I think it will bounce down. We broke the resistance. I don't know if it's gonna bounce down, but right now we're hitting major resistance up here. So, you know, if we break 38,192 or something like that, it's gonna be EGLD. EGLD. No. Yeah, everything is hitting resistance, guys. Everything, but everything broke it. Everything is breaking it. Everything is breaking it right now, guys. Everything is breaking, and we are hitting the next resistance. That's this moving averages on 100, moving average on the 4 hourly. Everything. Look at this. This is Elron, right? 100 moving average. This is BTC 100 moving average. This is Ethereum. Ethereum broke the 100 moving average. Matic is way up there. One more event, one more to something like. Let's see how Link is doing. Link broke it, but it's hitting some kind of other resistance up here. VeChain, let's see VeChain. VeChain broke the get out to the triangle. Guys, everything is breaking to the upside. Everything is breaking to the upside. Another view from Malta, the crypto island. Yeah, isn't Binance on Malta? Emergency spelled wrong. Yeah, it doesn't matter, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. As long as you get the message, it's good. It's good. .xrp. XRP is waiting. XRP is waiting to break out, guys. XRP is waiting to break out. But dot, where is my dot? Right over here. Yeah, dot looks like it's already broke out. Yeah, dot broke out. Like, you know, not only that. Look at the dot. Look at the dot, man. Look at the dot. It's breaking the 100 moving average as well. Safe to buy yet? There is no safe bets in this world. That's why we do risk management. Great beard, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Ara is thinking slow. Let's see what Ara is doing. Yeah, Ara is thinking real slow. But it, you know, ADA is one of the best performing coins right now. You know, ADA is the only thing that's above the all moving averages on the daily chart. There is nothing like ADA. What do you think about Phantom's future? You know, I was bullish on Phantom until it went down. I don't know what's happening with Phantom now. %14 up, broke the 10 moving average on the daily. Getting, is it breaking out? Yeah, it's definitely breaking out right now. Yeah, look at it, look at it. Everything is breaking out, guys. Everything is breaking out. Somebody was talking about volume. There is no volume. This is volume on the 4 hourly, guys. If this isn't the volume, then I don't know what volume is, guys. I don't know what volume is. Let's see volume on Bitcoin, guys. Let's see volume on Bitcoin. There is, yeah, you know, Bitcoin is a lot less saturated, you know, but you can say there's some volume. There is some volume. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum also, you know, the volume is picking up a little bit. I don't know if you see it. It's picking up a little bit, so you know that's good. Matic, Cardano, nothing. You know, Doge is. Look at the volume on Doge. Look at the volume on Doge. It's picking up like you know what. Let's see VeChain. Yeah, volume is picking up. XRP hasn't broke out. Polkadot broke out, but without volume. Hi bro, thanks for the video. Can I buy XRP now? Wait, the 4 hourly candle close in 30 minutes. Cannot help you there, man. Cannot help you, guys. I cannot help you with buy and sells. Do not ask me if you should buy and sell. You know, I'll tell you what I think, and then you decide. You know, like of going down to the bottom now. To the bottom of what? The 0 to 30,000, 20,000. What's the bottom? Is this the bottom over here, man? Is this the bottom? A likelihood of doing that. It's less than going up. You know, probability to continue going up is higher than down. Possible to check ETC. ETC also, yeah, I was looking at ETC. ETC is also like almost there. Where is ETC? Let me see the ETC. There's it. 3.2%, not yet broken out. But you know about ETC. Look at this trend line. This is a falling wedge. If you remove this over here, right? This is technically falling wedge right now. Right now it wants to break out. So it's looking good, but it's not. It looks like it might actually be breaking it already. Yeah, I think it's already started breaking it right now. It's just going very slowly. All RSI oversold. Yeah, it's not oversold. It's sitting at really nice levels. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, technically it's oversold if you are thinking that we are in bull market, but if we are in the downtrend, then this is actually quite high. Yeah, all RSIs are really low. What will happen if BTC get breakout? Next resistance, BTC did get breakout. Aren't you following? That's the emergency. That's why we are having an emergency over here. BTC did have a breakout, guys. See here, it's hitting this resistance here at 100 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame right now. This resistance that we've been talking about, it's hitting it like, you know what? The late adopter has spoken. Time to triple down on the filters. Would you advise people to attempt to short highs and accumulate more coins? I was the one who spoke about AGLD, and it has been holding a very strong support on the USD chart for 95 with BTC at 33. Would I advise people to attempt short highs? I cannot advise anybody to do anything. Like, I can tell you what I think is gonna happen, and then everybody has to decide for themselves what they want to do with that information. But I cannot say like, hey guys, we should short, hey guys, we should go long. It just wouldn't be the right thing to do, you know. BD is pumping, bulls are here. Bulls are definitely in control right now. Someone not paying attention. I bought a bit leveraged trading in an era when Bitcoin broke 37.1. By MetaMoon, an NFT project, it has 40 million market cap and will reach 2 billion as safe moon is in for. MetaMoon, safe moon, save Mars, save Galaxy, save this, save that, save Doge. Somebody should make a coin that's called Safe Doge, Safe Dogecoin. Now there you got memes, you know, there you got memes. FOMO kills, yeah, FOMO kills definitely. Don't understand. 711 billion market cap and 36,000 sell-off. Too many fools buying the dips. Are you into band protocol? I'm not into band protocol. I know band protocol did like something like 20-30% a couple of days ago. If I'm not mistaken, band protocol did pretty well a couple of days ago. Where is it? Yeah, here is the band protocol. Yeah, it did. Here was the pump. Yeah. It did some 25-30% if I recall right. 27, yeah, 30%. I was watching it, but I don't know what the band protocol is. High spread protocol is getting a breakout right now because it made a. I don't know if I'm gonna call this a breakout. It technically didn't have a breakout. It's still waiting for the breakout, guys. Band protocol is still waiting for the breakout, I think. Depends on how you draw this. Maybe something like this. Maybe it's right now it's having a breakout as well. Over 100 moving average. That's a breakout, guys. That's a break. I don't know what you guys think about what a breakout is. That's a breakout. You can see here it actually started pumping like crazy, you know, and then hit the resistance, and everything cooled off, and right now trying to go again when everything else is going. Bitcoin 3.67%, still hitting that resistance. I was actually hoping that we might actually bang the resistance, like, you know, wow. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Why am I gonna look at 5-minute chart, man? We're gonna have a party. We don't want to be depressed. Anything on Ncash, please, brother. Ncash is something. Ncash was something. Yeah, nucleus. Yeah, this 5-minute chart. You know, guys. Here's pro tip. When you see chart analysis on a 5-minute chart, it means that liquidity is pretty low. When liquidity is pretty low, some coins, that means that they are probably being manipulated to, you know what. Look at these straight lines over here, man. Insane. So basically, anything with low liquidity, just don't go there. I know the big money can, you know, you can make the big money like over here, huge money, and then go down. So these are pumps and dumps. These are pumps and dumps, you know. So guys, is this pump Mars? Yeah, maybe it's a pump dump. I don't know. But usually, you know, when people are doing screen is black out, bro. Why is screen black? Is my screen black, guys? Is my screen black? I don't think my screen is black, but you can tell me if the screen is black. Guys, pro tip, if you want to avoid pump and dumps, you know, if you want to avoid your coins being pumped and crashed, don't go where the liquidity is low. Just take a word of advice. I mean, yes, low liquidity means big pumps and stuff like that with good projects, but you know, do you think Doge will pump and pump and pump? What kind of music do you think I'm playing now? Listen to the lyrics, man. Listen, there's a link down below on the song. Go check it out, guys. Go check it out. Do I think Doge will pump, getting listed and everything? Doge broke out like 3 days ago, something like that, guys. Doge broke out 3 days ago. This is a downtrend. In tech analysis, this is a downtrend, right? And when you break the downtrend, what happens then, guy? What happens then? Come on, this is a quiz. What happens then? Bro, can you check out Doge? This is Doge, man. What about Link and Solana? I don't know about Link Solana. Yeah, let's check out Link Solana. What's he? Did have Links and Solana getting some kind of break? Link actually technically hasn't yet. Let's see over here what's happening. Let's remove the volume. No, I would say this Link has to break this line of resistance. Maybe it is going. Maybe it is trying. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Let's try 4 hours. Let's remove the moving averages because, you know, noise. Nah, maybe it's trying. Maybe it's trying it right now. Yeah, a bit. Yeah, I think it might be. It might be. Let me see. What I think? What I think? Yeah, I think it's sitting or exactly on the resistance, or he's gonna try to break the resistance. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. We on fire now. Where's Scotty now? Where's Scotty? There's Scotty. There's Scotty. I don't know where Scotty is, man. Here is it. Here is it. I get like 60, 70 coins on my list, man. Yeah, I definitely breaking out. Doesn't matter how you pull this off, you know. Besides these wicks down up here, but I want to use these wicks up here. Maybe it's hitting just the resistance now. Maybe. That looks good. Why is it looking good? It hasn't broken the resistance yet. Which hasn't broken the resistance yet? Now, just because your coin hasn't broken the resistance, if Bitcoin breaks the resistance, everything breaks the resistance. That's the law of crypto, you know, right? Everything follows crypto. So just because it hasn't broken the resistance yet, it has to be looking good. Bro, can you get an update on XRP and ADA? ADA is... where did my line go? Where did my line go? I think ADA broke it. Yeah, I think ADA is breaking the... broken the resistance, but ADA is just slow moving. It's not pumping because it's so high to the top, you know. And XRP is waiting. I think XRP is waiting. XRP needs a little bit more time to break it, but once it breaks, you know, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. Call J, £5. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. CKB Nervous Network just made a huge deal with ADA. Check the news. I've had CKB since 0.07. I knew it would pay off. Print on 50C. We are only at 1C now. Wow, that's some nice gains, man. That's some nice gains. Let's see what CKB is doing. Where is my CKB? Here we go. CKB Nervous. Yeah, this looks legit, guys. This looks legit. It's hitting the resistance right now. Dimitris Jutras, Canadian $2. Later to love you. We are breaking the resistance. We are actually going up. Actually going up, guys. Actually going up. Tomorrow will be fun. Who let the dogs out? 6-3 Coinbase open the door. Accept Dogecoin. 65 million clients. Are you ready to chase marathon? $1 land promise. Good luck, everyone. To the moon. Doge is tanking. It's not tanking. It's went down a little bit. You know, that's not being tanking. You know, it broke the resistance. Now, guys, before you get all excited about Doge and listing, I want to show you the another chart. I want to show you. Where's me engine coin, man? There. Do you guys remember engine coin? Wasn't it listed around April? When was it listed? Was it engine coin? What was it? What was it? I think it was Engine coin. It got listed on the Coinbase right over here around April. You guys can correct me. I think it was listed right over here, and I was wondering why it was pumping so hard over here. And then I heard about listing, and oh, that's why. And then it went down. Ron is in the house. Ron up to 250 Rons. Thanks, man. I appreciate the money. I appreciate the money. You know, today's Bitcoin daily video, you know, people have been missing. You've been asking, hey guys, where's Ron? Where's Ron? Engine is mooning. I wouldn't say that engine is mooning, but it's, you know, it's going up a little bit. It's going up a little bit. Last 4 hours, it's up 4%. Still 36 minutes to the candle close, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. Are you guys going to talk about it just spiked super hard for no reason last night? No reason. Let's see. When somebody says no reason, you know, I have my doubts. First of all, is not on Binance. Is Uniswap and KuCoin, so basically it's not correlated that well with Bitcoin. But I wouldn't say it's no reason, you know. Check out but this is guys. This is but there is not a lot of data on It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years old, 7 days old. Maybe there is on Tether, right? This is terrible. Nah. Let's see moving averages on this thing. Yeah, it's just pumping like crazy. $20 from Michael V. BTC breaking out and breaking out. What a glorious day. To Mars. 7 million market cap and a 5.25 million market cap. Maybe, man, maybe. It looks very nice. Anop Chuahan. ENR 100. I don't know what that is. I'm from India, brother. Could you do Tia and Phantom? Phantom. Okay, we can check out the fast Phantom. I just look at the Phantom. Sure, man. Let's see Phantom, what's happening. Phantom broke it like what, look at this. And Phantom is one of those coins that pumps really hard, so up like 16% now. So once Phantom pumps, it pumps really hard because it's low market cap. It's not low market cap like number 500 coin market cap or something like that, but it is low market cap, and it does pump a lot. And it's been pumping a lot entire goddamn bull market. It's been pumping like crazy. So hey man, any tips for a new trader? I bought my first cryptos last night. I went for 27 ADA coins. What should I do next? Rule number 1, learn technical analysis, basics like trend lines, patterns, moving averages, RSI, MACD, overbought, oversold levels, stopping out patterns, reversal patterns, continuation patterns. Because you cannot, you are gonna get wrecked if you don't know this thing. That said, do not day trade, do not even swing trade, buy it and hold it for like a month time or something like that. Please take a look at Jamal, 5 pounds, man. Thanks. Appreciate the money, guys. I appreciate the money. It's a nice day. Please take a look at a low MC KuCoin gem, and our volume is currently higher than market cap. Yeah, we just checked man. It's looking good. I mean, there is nothing to say about and the problem with doing technical analysis is because doesn't have a lot of data. This goes only back down to the May 27th when it was released. I have absolutely no clue what is. Gotta check out what is because it's not actually correlated with anything, That said, I'm not actually advising you should go into or anything like that, but anything that's not correlated with Bitcoin right now is good in my book. It's good in my book. We can look at this on 1 hourly chart. It's just pumping like crazy. There is nothing more to say about that. There is nothing more to say. And you cannot do any kind of decent technical analysis in this because, it's, Ron adopter, Ron, give a share for late adopter. He dedicated time for us and he was really good on technical analysis. All the best and positive energy. I will organize a party for all of you after the bull run. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, Ron. I love the money. After the bull run, so we are talking about 2024 or something like that, right? After the bull run. Like the video, guys. 86 likes, 637 people inside here. Man, it's nice. Let's see if Bitcoin is getting above. We still got 30. How much time do we have left to 4 hourly close? Guys, there's 32 minutes, so we're gonna run the stream at least for 32 more minutes, and then see like, how it's looking out. But it hit my target for today. This was my target for today, I think. No, this was I had my target at 4 point something over here. Anybody watching who's watched my stream today, let me check, because I don't remember the target I had on the stream. Let me just quickly check the live stream. There's it. No. 38,419. So my target for today's was 38,419. Yeah, it's not that off from where we are now. You know about pop again. It's the next trias. I don't know what guys. First of all, I have absolutely no clue what it is. Okay. Number two, I don't trade things that are on Tether, on a Qcoin, maybe on a Uniswap, sometimes on Uniswap, but I don't do this. But it looks like it's just pumping on the 10 moving average. Right now, it looks like actually if I was to say what's gonna happen, like you can see that it's following 10 moving average on the 4 hourly, right? So right now it is going faster to the upside. Let's see on the 1 hourly chart. It was following that, you know, I think it's gonna hit the 10 moving average. Right now it's going some kind of parabolic move, so don't get overly too excited, guys, because you might actually just buy the top. I know how these things works. You can see over here, when it starts climbing, at first this goes all the way down to 20 moving average, then it goes down to 10 moving average, then it doesn't wait for the moving average, just climbs faster and faster. It's going into parabolic move, and parabolic move, you can see here, down here, first of all it starts hitting the 50 moving average, then starts hitting 20 moving average, then starts hitting 10 moving average, and it's going faster and faster, and then it hitting some moving averages on small time frames, and then it pops. So be careful about the parabolic move, guys. It's you know, be sure about it. Bow Bartlett, 5 United States dollars. Smash the like button for Papa, you goblins. Yeah, do that, guys. Smash the like button, smash the like button. It's always nice to smash the like button. Let's go back to the Bitcoin and see what's actually happening with Bitcoin. Can it break the... you know, it would be so nice if it can break the resistance up here, but it did pump something like... how much did it pump? 2.4% right now. So, you know, on the day, how much did it pump today? Yeah, today was actually, that's 3.60. My targets were here at 6.468 for today, so we are almost at the target where I said we should be actually hitting. So we're gonna see here, we're pumping up along 37.5 on BTC, feeling very good about it now. Also remember, guys, we are not, it's not like we are pumping from you know, 55 to 60,000 or something like that, getting into some kind of new all-time highs. So, you know, always have a decent stop loss and all that. Hi, good job, man. ICP, please. ICP is interesting. ICP, isn't that the computer thing? Yeah, it's been just bleeding down. I don't know what's happening with this. I checked it out, but I have absolutely no clue what it is. It just underperforming just about anything. I have absolutely no clue. Maybe the market cap is too high or something like that. This looks terrible. Doesn't matter how you look at it. It looks terrible. On the weekly chart, it's you know, terrible. On the daily chart, it's below the 10 moving average and still falling down through the supports and cannot climb a little bit up. On the 4 hourly chart, is just going below all the moving averages. Maybe it's gonna find some kind of support down here, but you know. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Sorry, man, if you got this. I don't know what to tell you, but you know, it felt it was in some kind of triangle over here and fell even through the triangle on the downside. You know, stuff happens. No pay attention to LTC. I see huge potential. Why do you see huge potential? It's just Bitcoin with less memes. But sure, man. Let's see LTC. Let's see LTC. Okay, let's see LTC. What's LCD doing? LCD, if I can just... LTC, is it breaking out? I think still has a little bit room to go to break out. Yeah, this actually looks nicer. Maybe it's breaking out. Maybe it's coming there. You know, some coins are a little bit behind the other coins. You know, doesn't matter how you look at it. It looks terrible. He needs a cheat sheet. Yeah, but it does look terrible. Like some coins just look terrible. Like you don't want to look at them. I feel sorry for is the ICP the let me see, ICP coin market price is the ICP, yeah, ICP internet compute price. That was the coin that went up like top 10 on the Coinscape, right? With a huge market and suddenly started falling down. I never heard about it before, don't know what this. People started shilling it like this is the next big thing, and since then it was just bleeding down, so I have absolutely no idea what's happening there. Internet computer, yeah, but you know, but it does look bad. Like you want to get into coins that look good or might looking good, you know, but you know, please give an analysis on ADA. ADA is breaking out. We're just looking, guys. We are not doing any deep analysis. There's too much to do, but we are just looking what's breaking out. ADA broke out. Technically, ADA broke out, and ADA is actually doing quite fine. The problem with ADA is that it's not pumping some crazy levels up here like everything else. Is you know, it's already almost to the all-time high. It's above all the moving averages on the 4-hour. It's above all the moving averages on the daily. It's you know, it got strong fundamentals. Everybody is shilling. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or the Moon or the Memo Crypto or crypto venture. Everybody's shilling Cardano, you know. Everybody's so huge and so bullish on Cardano, it's insane. That's why it probably has all these good technicals. But take into consideration that Cardano has a very high market cap compared to some coins like Phantom. Phantom right now 15%, and Phantom has a room to, you know, go up a lot. Is Bitcoin correction is end? Let's not talk about it. Let's just enjoy the party right now while we're having a big breakout. Why not? Love your tia. Please check Pond. Pond. What is Pond? I never heard about Pond. Let's check what Pond is doing. Pond. Pond Tether is on Binance. Binance is good. Let's see what's Pond doing. Let's see in the weekly chart on Pond. Yeah, this dropped like a brick down there. It's trying to crawl up. It's went about that. Yeah, it's following Bitcoin right now. I think everything is following Bitcoin. Doesn't matter what it is. Guys, do you like the song? If you like the song, go check out the link below. Go to the channel, go to the video, and give it a like to the guy who made the song. Yeah, Pond is also waiting for the breakout. It's not quite there yet, but it's waiting for the breakout. Let's see. Yeah, we checked Doge. Doge broke out 3 days ago actually, and it's just going up now. Right now, this looks very good. Can you check VeChain for us? Yeah, sure. I'll check. I'll see what VeChain is doing. I've been seeing. I think VeChain is already breaking out. Yeah, it's breaking out just like everything else. So on all of these coins, what you want to see is breakout of this line over here. This is, you know, the breakout of the triangle is good and all and dandy, but it's once you break this 1.30 line, these stops over here, the previous stops, when you create higher high, that you get more bullishness. So let's see how other coins are actually doing that and where Bitcoin has actually to go to actually become bullish. So for Bitcoin, that would be something around 40,000 or something like that over here, right? So you want to get above 40,400 for Bitcoin to actually be super bullish. But right now it's good time because I mean, it's a trend line, breaking on trend line, you know, this is some kind of pattern. We are breaking it up, so getting some kind of resistance up here, you know, but you want to break the 40,440 for the top over here. Once the top is over here, like the bullishness comes by itself. The bullishness comes by itself. For Ethereum, that would be somewhere around what's that? Something like 28,090 or something like that. Let's see, that's also on the daily. Yeah, that's also on the daily. So these first big, you know, these first bigs, these are really important to break, so you can get higher high. You want that higher high going over here. So breakout good, yeah, you know, and it is emergency live session, but you know it's gonna be even more emergency once we start breaking these levels up here. Mini breakout before the big dip, maybe. Okay, guys, we gotta talk about the dip. Will the dip come? What's gonna happen? And you know, the reason I think that this is a big deal, I explained before, I can explain it again. We can go to the BTC and see what's actually happening. What I'm going to explain to you now, I'm going to do it into this one. Yeah, let's do it on this one over here. Let's clear up the moving averages. We just need, yeah, we didn't need moving average for this. This is the weekly chart. Now I'm going to explain to you why I think this is not actually just some small move to the upside. And there's this indicator down here that is pretty nice. It's pretty decent. Follow, guys, follow me, guys. This has only happened 4 times before, okay? So, this kind of dip that's happening right now, it happens only 4 times before. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 times before. First time was after the 2017 bull run. We dipped over here, right? That was the first dip. The second dip was the you know, capitulation phase of the bull market. The third dip was actually the corona, and right now this is the 4th dip. The only 4 times has this happened for the last 4 years that we have been down to these kind of levels down here on this indicator, okay? This is only measuring how you extend you are from the certain moving averages to the downside or to the upside. And if you see here, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this better. And we needed 10 moving average, and every time over here we get these extensions, we pull back to the 10 moving average. Over here we pulled back to the 10 moving average. Over here we pull back to the moving average. And what I'm expecting right now is a pullback to the 10 moving average, okay? On the weekly chart. That's what I'm expecting. That's why I'm so bullish on right now until we hit the 10 moving average. As soon as we hit the 10 moving average, all bets are off, right? So I'm thinking that we need some kind of pullback to the upside and revisit the 10 moving average, because we are really extended from the 10 and 20 moving average on the weekly chart over here, and you know, these things are just not sustainable. They're not just sustainable. So right now we are hitting the 10 and 20 moving average. We are not hitting it, but I think we are on the way to the hit the 10 and 20 moving. So right now something target should be around something like what's that, 48,000 or something like that. And you know, you might call it a dead cat bounce or whatever, but if we break that and it continue going higher, like, you know, all good. But it's very good that we are actually on the way to the upside. That's all. That's good. Now there are other better signs, but you know, we are not talking about a better sign right now. Bitcoin is retracing a little bit. No, don't say it's retracing. 20 minutes left to go. 20 minutes left to go. Don't retrace, man. Come on, you can do this, boy. You can do this. Yeah, it just pumped too much, too fast. So some retracement is actually good. I made some good money on auto. Any thoughts? I don't know what auto is. Automobile, Tesla. Wow, this is 1 hour life chart. Sorry. Well, it's been bleeding, so I don't know how you made money. Did you short this? Yeah, look at this. It's right now hitting the resistance over here. So if you manage to break the resistance out, you know, that's gonna be very nice. Right now hitting the resistance. So maybe that's it. Because these are only 2 touches, so you know, they don't matter. Tesla is Dodge. Dodge is Tesla. What do you think about AVAX? I'm not sure what I think about AVAX. AVAX 8%. He's doing exactly the same thing as everything else. You see these targets up here? That was when we were up here and talking about what's gonna happen with AVAX. You know, nothing happened. Everything dropped down like a brick. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You know, that's life. That's life. I think we need 4-hourly time frame. We need more. We need more numbers. We need more numbers. I think everything is breaking this one right now. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, it should actually. It is breaking out. I'm twerking to this music, guys. Check out the link down below for the Dodge Daddy music. You know. Ron with 250 bucks again, dude. You didn't give me more 250, did you again? Sorry, I missed that. I thought it was your last things. Guys, applause for Ron. He's like the biggest contributor to the channel. Appreciate the money. You're a big whale, or you know. I appreciate having you on the channel, man. Appreciate having you on the channel. I pick my base with ADA down. Hope BTC dumps further. Guys, I seen ADA down, ADA up, and you know, BTC down, BTC up. How are these you know, derivatives working out? I haven't checked that. Is this preset leverage or what? Big up for Ron. Yeah, Ron is the guy. We love Ron, guys. We love Ron. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to smash the like button, and then we can continue. Okay. Oh my god, guys, Bitboy Crypto is streaming right now. 8.9 thousand views, 8.9 thousand people are watching it. We only have a 700. We need to pump the numbers, guys. We need more people here. We need to beat Bitboy 1 million crypto channel. If we can beat crypto, Bitboy Crypto, you know, that's gonna be big. So everybody go to the Bitboy Crypto and spam his channel, you know, because somebody said he needs a TA guy. Bitboy Crypto is looking for a TA guy, you know, so spam my name to Bitboy Crypto. Safe moon, please. We're not doing meme coins, guys. We're not doing meme coins. Good, please. Yeah, the graph, guys, the graph. I was so excited about the graph. You have no idea. And it was so disappointing that it did not actually perform. I thought this was supposed to be the next Google. I thought this was supposed to be next Google. People said this is supposed to be next Google. And it just, you know, you're that guy. I thought this was supposed to be next Google. Everybody was telling me, hey man, the graph, that's next Google. And then suddenly like, hey man, what happened? Where's the Google? It cannot even break the resistance. Is there a resistance? Or sorry, yeah, it's hitting. I think it's hitting the. Yeah, this is the line. Yeah, right now it's just it's hitting on the resistance. So we're gonna see if it actually breaks or not. Trias. What Trias? I never checked Trias. So I mean, you know this coin. Yeah, guys, why are you buying on Qcoin? What's Qcoin? Yeah, it looks like it's breaking out. You can already look what it's breaking out by you know, by other ones, and you know immediately that this is correct. Right now, breaking out, hitting the 10 moving average exactly as Bitcoin is doing right now. You can see hitting the 100 moving average. Everything is breaking out. Everything is hitting this 100 moving average. Okay, some coins are actually breaking it, but you know, it's pumping like crazy. There is no down anymore. Oh my god. You zero more views. This yeah, Bitboy. Yeah, why not? Bitcoin is very good to pump coins though. Bitcoin is very good. So if you want some coins pumped, go to Bitcoin and you know pump your coins. What about BTC trendline from the new November 13, 2013 all-time high of 1242 to December 17 of 1984 BTC USD index? With the right extension normal scale, it was major resistance support to regenerate. Okay, let me see that, man. Let me see that. BTC USD index, what's that? BTC USD, yeah, index is so basically BLX chart, right? If I'm not mistaken, right? BLX chart. Yeah. So you're saying what about BTC trendline from November 13, 2013? November 13. Okay, normal chart, not how can you do trend line like this, man? With the right extension, normal scale. You cannot do normal scale, man. There is no way you can do normal scale on this. Brian, tell me how can I do how can you do technical analysis on long-term chart if you don't use log scale? You need log scale, man. You cannot watch this, you know. This is why you need log scale on the long term. How long there is left on the Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame? 14 minutes to go, guys. 14 minutes to go to see if this breakout is gonna hold or not, and how we are gonna do. No confirmation yet. No confirmation. Hex. Somebody said Hex. Am I gonna shield Hex? No, I'm not gonna shield, but we can check Hex. Hex has been outperforming Bitcoin so hard. I don't know if Hex actually is there. Hex BTC pair. Nah, there is no Hex BTC pair. But Hex isn't that dependent on what crypto and Bitcoin is doing. BTC RSI is too high, both on 1 and 4 hour. When that happens, it can't break out maybe later, but now it needs to step back. Yeah, I just said that. I said that on Bitcoin. I didn't say actually about the RSI. I said on the moving average, but it is the same thing. You can see on the 1 hourly chart that we are already extended from the 10 moving average. 4 hourly also extend from the 10 moving average. That's the white line over here. So some kind of pullback. But you know, it would be nice if you're getting above the line and then going sideways, waiting for the moving averages. You know, that can also happen. So does it need to stay above the yellow line for 14 minutes? Yeah, the best case scenario, it needs to stay above the yellow line for 14 minutes. Or it can go below the line, but after 30 minutes and 59 seconds it needs to be above the line. Could you please, no, what about one? Yeah, long time since we checked one, nobody asked for one. Let's see what one is doing. Let's see what one is doing. Yeah, one is breaking it too, definitely. Depends on how you pull this. Yeah, this actually looks like more rigid, so it might be actually be sitting at some kind of a resistance right now. It's just barely trying to break it. It's just barely trying to break it. So we're gonna see if it does or not. Please do XRP. We have done so many XRP, man. You can see here XRP sitting just below the resistance. Maybe if you move the line a little bit up. I spam you on Bitcoin 10,000 plus. PSS in G in win. I don't know what the last things part is, but thanks for that. Thanks for spamming. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Nah, I was just kidding about spamming, but Bitcoins, you know, if I ever get more live stream people and then Bitcoin, I'm gonna be happy for the rest of my life, man. Tomo, somebody wants Tomo. Okay, let's look Tomo USD. Tomo chain. Tomo broke it already. You can already see that it broke it like you know what. But it is behaving a little differently than Bitcoin though. Yeah. Tomo looks good, guys. Tomo looks good. It's a little different than other coins. This is a daily chart. It's hitting the 200 moving average over here, so you know it's hitting the resistance. But this is daily. It's just been saying Tomo actually pumped yesterday, not today, guys. You know, today it's just standing there and waiting. So we're gonna see what's actually gonna do. I think it might actually wait for. Let's see on the Tomo on the daily. No, it's up here, all the way up here. Maybe it's down here. I think we need weekly for this because there's too many levels up here. Yeah, it wants to break this level down here. 1.699 or something like that. Yeah, it looks good. Pissing in the wind. Okay, man. Thanks for that, guys. Thanks for that. Luna, please. Okay, we need to take a break. Let's just look at what Bitcoin is doing. It's still how long there is left. 11 minutes left, so let's chill a little bit with Bitcoin and maybe even Ethereum. Let's see Ethereum. I've got 50x long going on Ethereum right now. It's play money, it's throwaway money, but you know it's still 50x, you know. But you know, so it's working out nice, I think. Let's see over here. Let's see the Bybit's. Yeah, it's working okay so far. Is BDs in the rising wedge on 5 minutes? Does it matter if it's in rising wedge on 5 minutes? Maybe it is. Hey man, thanks for doing this video. Do you think XRP is a good entry now? Could this pump be a fake out? I cannot tell you, guys. Again, I don't want to say yeah, it's good entry, it's not good entry. Like that's like a big thing for me, and I just cannot do it, guys. I can't do it. But 5 minutes on Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening 5 minute Bitcoin. Like, does it matter? Does 5 minutes matter on Bitcoin? Rising wedge. Yeah, it looks like a rising wedge. It looks like it's already breaking to the downside, which is actually expected. Let's remove everything. Guys, pro tips when drawing patterns, remove everything because there's just so much noise on the chart you cannot even. Yeah, it looks like he's breaking it right now, so you know. Yeah. So yeah, but like, how big or much can this drop? Like, you know, 37.4. I don't think it's gonna drop all the way to 37.4. It's a 5 minute chart, guys. It's a 5 minute chart. 7.4. Let's be all the way down here. 5 minute chart don't matter, guys. 5 minute chart don't matter. Mate, where are you from? Are you from Bulgaria or Serbia? Can't understand the accent. It's from the area. I just bought cryptocurrency investment for dummies from Amazon. Need to learn more. Cryptocurrency investing for dummies. Yeah, nice. Enjoy. I mortgaged the house and put all on XRP thanks to you. Dude, you did not do that thanks to me. I said we have a breakout. I didn't say we cannot go down to million. Now put that stop loss right below where you enter the trade. How many can you bonus for consulting? Pay per PayPal or how? You can just donate on the chat, man. I appreciate all donations. All donations very welcome. All donations going to my wife's new iPhone, so you know, anything helps. Hey bro, can you show how to trace a resistance line? Sometimes you take the wick and sometimes the top. There is always wick. Trend lines are always the wicks. Whoever says anything else doesn't know how to do tech analysis. Trend lines are always the wicks. It doesn't matter. Here you go. These are wicks, right? And you take always the wick. Doesn't matter what kind of wicks, you always take the wick. You never take the body. Always the wick. Sometimes the wick and the body is the same. Like over here, you can see over here, the wick and the body is the same. So you know, it's really small difference. But you always take on trend lines. You always do the wicks. Now, which wicks you're gonna use and you know what fits better and stuff like that. You know, experience. But always use the wicks. Sold my sister for Shiba. Go buy back your sister, man. That's not nice. Adopt, please check friend. Okay, somebody asked for it. No, we cannot check friend. We are waiting for the close, guys. We are waiting for the close. So no checking right now. 6 minutes to go. We gotta go back. We gotta go back to our charts. There you go. 4 hourly. We need to follow what's gonna happen over here, guys. We need to follow. It's really important to see the close. I listened to Michael Saylor and shorted my kids using my wife as collateral. But Michael Saylor is quite bullish though. Michael Saylor is quite bullish. Sold my teeth for Shiba. Let's push, guys. I don't know if you got enough money to push, guys. I don't know. There are some big money into this, so you know. BTC isn't pumping up coin you want to do. Do you think it's symmetrical triangle BTC 4 hour and can it break in the downside? Well, it is a symmetrical triangle. It is a symmetrical triangle, and these triangles actually have a bigger chance to break in the downside. But we don't judge, you know. There is no certainty in technical analysis. They can also break to the upside. People are calling upside. I've been bullish to the upside, but I've always been saying that triangles break to the downside when they are coming down, because this is a continuation pattern and a break to the downside, but they can also go to the upside. And this is when you know that they are breaking. When you are breaking the pattern, that's when you know. So we want to break the pattern, we want to establish ourselves above the line, and then we want to continue above higher and higher and higher, right? So we're gonna see how far up we go. When Ethereum version 2 will be launched? No clue, man. I like the song. Yeah, check the comments down below. In the description there is a link to the song. Dodge Daddy, you know, somebody on Patreon made the song, so he asked me if I can play it on the live today, so yeah, why not? You know, give him some credit. So go to his channel, guys. You know, write down the comment, give a like, spread the song on Twitter, on Reddit, wherever. You know, if you got some Dodge bags, you know, pump Dodge, you spread it. You didn't fully include the wicks. Breakout is 3840. I didn't fully include it. You are correct, my mate. Yeah, I didn't include the wicks, and let's see that. If you include the wicks all the way up here to the top, let's remove first everything, so it's nicer to see. If we include wicks, the problem with including these wicks is it is nice. It is nice. Zonic, $5. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Appreciate the money. It is nice. It is nice. So we are okay, guys. Party's over. We are not actually breaking out. It was such a rush, guys. It was such a rush, but we are not breaking out because, you know, reasons. Hitting just the resistance. We just went up to resistance. But you know. You can also say this should actually be up over here at 39.5. Or maybe we haven't broken this one up here at, you know, 43,000. Depends on how you look at it. If you look at it just like this over here, we broke it. Technically we broke the trend, right? The trend is broken, downtrend is broken. This is a retest and now we're going up. So it's just like this part over here that we have to break. You don't always have to figure out the longest lines. You just take the last part. So however you look at it, this is a channel actually. Yeah, maybe this is a channel. Okay guys, 39.4, yeah. 39.4 is the breakout, but you know, we had fun. Still 2 minutes left, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm not a scammer, man. He's not replying back. What do you think about reality is exposed? Enough video Spain. What do you think about Ampliford governance token? I have no clue what Ampliford governance token is, man. I'm not into fundamentals. I hope that answered your question. I have actually no clue what Ampliford is as well. He can't reply because you are asking this. Okay guys, enough of chit chat. I replied to him, so it's okay guys, it's okay. 1 minute left guys, 1 minute left. By the way guys, there are more than one trend line over here going on, right? The guy that said I didn't use the wicks, he is correct. I did not use all the wicks on the top. You know, there is also a resistance up here. There is also horizontal resistances up here that we have to break. There is a lot of resistances on the way up, guys. There is a lot of resistances on the way up. This one use, this one use. This one is broken, technically. But it's a start, guys, it's a start. It's a very good start to go higher, and it's breaking a certain trend because it's actually, this is a trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how many hits do you need to find the trend line. He is right that this other one is also a trend line, but it doesn't mean that this is less valid trend line. Breaking on the trend line is good. There we got the close just below the 100 moving average, still in green. We're gonna see if we're gonna retrace a little bit. I think actually we might actually retrace a little bit over here. And this one up here, somewhere around up here, maybe. Yeah, it was this. Yeah, give or take, give or take. We are at least hitting the 100 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, so it's good, guys. It's good. So right now we just have to break that. You know, there is a resistance here. The resistance at 39,420 or something like that. Where is it? Somewhere around here. Let me go back. There we go. So we just hitting resistance. Here's what's gonna happen now. Before we actually finish over here. Okay, let's see. Wait. There you go. Yeah, like nobody likes spamming. Like I even answered the question, you know. So okay, here's what's gonna happen, guys. Do you see? Let me. We got some really high resistance here at around 38,000, 39,000, something like that. We got some real decent resistance up here, right? 38,200, give or take, give or take. The target was actually from today's video up here at 38.4, but yeah, give or take. The resistance is all the way up here, so we're gonna hit the resistance. The problem is that we are having the moving averages 10, 20 and 50 moving all the way down here, so it might actually take a little while before we actually start pumping further up. Now if you just can continue going like this, that would be the best case scenario, but you know, it's kind of hard to do that. You can see the 10 moving average at one point. We will hit the 10 moving average on the 1 hourly chart and continue way up. So what I'm actually thinking right now, that we are going to go some kind of sideways motion or something like late until these moving averages on the 1 hourly chart comes to us, and then break to the resistance to the upside. Because right now everybody is super bullish, so if this continues you know, holding, I'm seeing more upside. Now again, this can also be a bull trap, of course, as everything else, and we might get rejected, and you know, bears might actually take over and push us all the way down on this, because we are still technically in a triangle. That's actually a continuation pattern. So although we are looking like that we are breaking out, and maybe this isn't a full breakout, it is a quite nice pump to the upside though. So you know, we have to break certain other levels, and like that other guy said, like I didn't use the wicks, and that's correct, but it doesn't matter, because this is just another line of another trend line. There are a lot of trend lines on one chart. It really doesn't matter which you use, because this is just as a legit trend line as everything else over here. And this one is broken, the second one is not broken, right? This one over here is not broken. So there are resistances on the way up that we have to break, and you know, to climb and climb and climb. But I think this over here is the very first step for us to climb up to the some 48,000 or something like that, because my target is up here at 48,000. 8,000. Whether we're gonna hit that first before we actually go down to 20,000 or not, it kind of depends. But I showed you earlier on the weekly chart why I think that we have to go up to the 48,000, and that's because we are overextending on the weekly time frame away from the 10 and 20 moving average up here, right? We are extending, so we have to go back and hit the 10 moving average, because you cannot you know, when something dies, if Bitcoin have died, like you know, it got hacked, or you know, quantum computers just break the hash algorithm or something, cryptocurrency, cryptography or something like that, then you drop like this away from the away from the weekly moving averages. But in a normal scenario, when there's nothing wrong with crypto beside, you know, FUD and whatnot, you know, overbought levels, then you have this move to the upside. So I'm looking to move to upside up to the 10 moving average, and that's actually why I'm thinking we have to go up to the 29,000, something like that, and revisit that, because we are oversold right now, and we have to pick up a little bit back before, if we are going to continue down. That's why I don't think we can actually continue down over here further down before actually visiting the 10 moving average. So that's my theory. Whether that theory is going to be good or not, you know, you stopped making videos and now it's pumping. Well, that's good for you, man, right? Now I stopped making a lot of videos because people just stopped watching them, you know. As soon as the bull run kind of stopped moving, you know, with the speed of a rocket, people stopped watching videos. It was no point in making like 10 videos a day, so I had to pick something. So now it's like XRP and Cardano every day. Where did you learn technical analysis? On internet, man. Google, YouTube, PDFs, wherever, you know. You just open the trading view and start drawing the lines, and then like, how do I draw a trend line? How do I do this? How do I do that? And then you figure out who is right, who is wrong, and this guy says you do it this way, and this other guy says you do it that way, and then you try to figure out which way is correct way, and then you build up your own idea about how technology should be looking like. And this is what I've come to, and you know, this is how I do it, and I think I'm have pretty decent track record on you know, picking the bullish versus bearish and how this works actually. What about Google? I don't know, what about Google? What indicator is that? Anybody can tell me? What kind of indicator you want to know, man? Multiple resistance tops means retest previous support every time, and doesn't mean a retest, but it will be some pullbacks all the way to the upwards. Like it's only when you get into price discovery mode that you have this really nice smooth moves to the up. I hope I get to your level in tech analysis. I'm still in the support resistance knowledge. It's not very difficult, it's very basic, but the problem is everybody on YouTube and you know, even when you go to TradingView or, you know, community pages and stuff like that, they're using so many indicators and they have so weird theories, you know, and they're using moon phases and stuff like that, and there's absolutely no way that new people can figure it out because they don't understand what's basic and what's not. Bear pennant go down because the Ichimoku cloud at 38.2. Bear pennant. Maybe. Anyways, guys, we made it to the 4-hourly close. We actually hit the resistance. Right now there will be some kind of pullback. How big pullback that's gonna be and what's not gonna be. We broke this level up here at 32,537. So, you know, pull back to that level, something like that. It's actually quite possible. You know, whatever happens. We are at this resistance that the other one guy mentioned in the chat. That's around 40. Yeah, we can just look at this. That's around 39,000, something like that, I think. If you use all the weeks, maybe less. Yeah, but which weeks are you gonna use? You know, 39,001 to 9,002. And then this trend line as well, you know. But we are hit the resistance. A lot of things are breaking right now. It's gonna take a while to get up, you know. But as long as we keep the bullishness, this is gonna continue going up. So it is a nice day. We are breaking certain levels, and that's good, right? So, you know, take for what you can get out of this. That said, we still got like 20 moving average to get up to over here on the daily. And if you look at it, you know, we've been watching the 4-hourly time frames, but you know, 4-hourly it's not actually the same as daily. But you know, the thing I'm actually looking right now is breaking this level up here. 39,241. Why this level? Because it's a resistance up here, and it's also 20 moving average on the daily. Now that we are actually above the 10 moving average on the daily chart, we should be able to go all the way up to the 20 moving average at 39,194, because the 20 moving average and the resistance up here are corresponding on the same part. So this 100 moving average here on the 4-hour chart is gonna get broken eventually, and I think we're gonna go all the way up here. If you get rejected, I think we're gonna get rejected by the 20 moving average, because right now we broke the 10 moving average. So thank you, we are all good. We got rejected by the 10 moving average. Yesterday I thought we got rejected by the 10 moving average here as well, and I was actually thinking we can go down. We did go down, but only with the big until we hit the resistance on the downside. This is the resistance on the downside. You can see we almost hit the resistance on the downside, and then we continue going up. But if we can close above the 10 moving average, I'm gonna bullish on Bitcoin, and until we hit the 39,200 or something like that. So you know, that's the target for now. Long-term target 48,000. Where is it? 48,000. Somewhere down up here, right? So we're gonna see how this plays out. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for chilling with me. It's always nice to do these pop-up streams. You know, things are happening. They want you to believe that everything break out now, but they probably make a huge dump and pump. Maybe. That's why I'm saying always have a stop loss, guys. Always be sure what you're doing with your money. When you buy a pump and it starts going down against you, you know, it's not always easy. V pattern if you break the 39k. W pattern if you break the 39k. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, double bottom pattern. Maybe. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Check out the link down below for Dodge Daddy. If you like the song, go to the guy's channel, give him a like, tell him that the song is nice, you know. Spread the love and stuff like that. Thanks for joining, guys. See you around. Bye bye.